Hi, welcome to our home. Today we're going to tackle a little laundry, some dishes, and tidy up around the kitchen, but mostly I gotta clean up these floors. We're going to vacuum and we're going to mop the whole thing. Why don't you come on and join me? First we're going to switch some laundry over, and then I'm going to take my toddler's sleeping bag outside to dry. It was such a perfect day for this. After that I had to run and do some errands, but by the time I got back the laundry was dry, so now it's time to fold it and put it away. If you've got some laundry to do, go ahead and get it out, put this video up, and let's do it together. I definitely get my steps in doing laundry because I'm walking all around this bed.
Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you light my way, find my way home again? My home is you.
Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording, so you're just gonna have to imagine the rest of that laundry. Next, I'm gonna tidy up around the great room and the kitchen, but if you still have laundry to do, keep working on that. But if you've got a kitchen to clean, get up and clean with me. We're just gonna tidy up together.
My home is you. Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you light my way, find my way home again?
I wanted to clean my milk frother, but I couldn't find my sponge. That's why I looked so confused.
My home is you. My home is you.
Turns out my mom stole it to clean a window, so time for a new sponge.
Sink to the deep end, hurt and defeated. Thought I could do this, laugh through the sadness. Don't know how I ended up, ended up so lost. Sink to the deep end, hurt and defeated. Too little and too late. Cast shadows in my face.
I've only got a couple of dirty dishes, so I'll just hand wash those and then put my work shoes away for the weekend.
Little and too late. Got shadows in my face. Too little and too late. Got shadows.
No idea what I was talking about there, but maybe I should make it the next TikTok dance craze. Or maybe I just need some coffee.
Too little and
I am very descriptive when talking with my hands.
got shadows in my face.
Next, I'm going to clean up the baby's tray and seat from breakfast. This is the Abby Beyond Junior Y high chair. It's awesome. You can get it on Amazon. It is very adjustable and it turns into an adult chair that can hold up to 250 pounds. If you're looking for a high chair, I highly recommend this one.
In the end game, I'm caught in the end game. I'm caught. Too little and too late. Cast shadows in my face. Too little and too late. Cast shadows.
Next, I'm going to wipe down the dining room table.
Too late. Cast shadows in my face. Too little and too late. Cast shadows across my face.
And the chair.
Too little and too late. Cast shadows in my face.
Coffee break. Now to give the countertops a quick wipe down.
Sink to the deep end, hurt and defeated. Thought I could do this, laugh through the sadness. Don't know how I ended up so lost. Sink to the deep end, hurt and defeated.
Now I'm going to dry off all those dishes I washed earlier. And hi, Mom! Now to do the countertops on the other side. And then put everything away. Now for a real coffee break. That's a good idea. Take a drink of coffee or drink some water, hydrate yourself, and then let's get back to it. It's the end of the day, so I'm going to clean and shine my sink, like always. Good morning, welcome to the next day. Time to tackle those floors. I have the Dyson V10 Absolute and it comes with a soft roller brush for hardwood and vinyl and tile flooring. So I'm going to start with that and go over all the tile, get up all the crumbs and all the dust. Who needs a gym when you've got to vacuum? Honestly, cleaning really is such a good workout. So if you're cleaning with me, not only are you doing good for your house, but you're doing good for your health too. I mostly just want to touch up my floors, so I'm not really worried about getting in every little nook and cranny. I'll save that for another day. Now it's time to mop. I only had a limited amount of time, so Swiffer mop it is. This gets my floors pretty clean without having to drag out the entire cedar mop and bucket. There's Mom again. Hi, Mom. Look at those trees outside. That wind is crazy. We've been having a lot of storms around here lately. If you like more cleaning, organizational, and decluttering videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And done. I had to take a break for a minute, but now we're gonna get started on the dishes. As always, teamwork makes the dream work. I always find it funny how everyone has their own way of loading a dishwasher and everybody thinks that their way is the right way. But hey, as long as the dishes get clean, I don't care. Lastly, I'm going to wash the filter for my vacuum and then let it dry for a day, and then we're done. For more cleaning motivation, click the video on the left. For a lot more cleaning motivation, click the playlist on the right. Bye!